Keely, and welcome to Bringing Smart Back. So, as many of you know, I love animals, and today I'm talking about one of my favorite animals. And no, it's not sloths. Although I love sloths. I already made a video on that, so you can click the link down below and watch my sloth video once you're done watching this video. But today, I'm talking about my second favorite animal, bears. I guess the shirt kind of gave it away, huh? You probably knew. Okay, well, the reason I love bears is because they're so cute and they're so fun. So there are actually 8 different species of bears. There's the American black bear, the brown bear, the polar bear, the panda bear, the spectacled bear, the moon bear, the sun bear, and the sloth bear. They're so cute. Bears can be found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. They used to be found in northern Africa, but they went extinct in the 1870s. Oh, my tummy is rumbling for some honey. So, if you've seen Winnie the Pooh, you know that Pooh loves honey. Well, some bears do. The North American black bear and the brown bear both love honey. But unlike Winnie the Pooh, they eat the whole hive, not just the honey part. But what do bears eat? Well, bears like to eat meat and fruit and insects. Except for the polar bear, which only eats meat, and the panda bear, which only eats plants. So what do you get when you mix a polar bear and a grizzly bear? You get a growler bear! Seriously, I am not kidding. These things exist. So due to deforestation and global warming, the polar bears and the grizzly bears began to overlap. And now we get growler bears. Aren't they adorable? So a growler bear is a little bit smaller than a polar bear and is better suited for warm weather. It also is cream with brown spots. So I cannot do a bear video without talking about one of the cutest bears, the panda bear. I mean, come on, they're so adorable and they sneeze. Like, that is so precious. So besides sneezing, panda bears are really cool. They have a special lining in their throat so they don't get bamboo splinters. And they also eat 14 to 16 hours a day. You know, maybe I'm really a panda bear. Maybe that's just what I am. Also, I need to rewind this video because I don't think you caught it the first time. Let's just rewind. The moon bear, the sun bear, and the sloth bear. Okay, pause. Yes, you heard me correctly. Sloth bear. Sloth bear. Like my 2 favorite animals. So the sloth bear is actually not related to a sloth and is one of the most agile bears. The reason it's called a sloth bear is because of its long, shaggy fur and its really thick, sharp claws. Here are some fast bear facts. So the bear has really big claws, and they're not retractable, so they're always out. The bear is the top of the chain at its habitat's food chain. The bear's heart rate is 40 beats per minute. A hibernating bear's heartbeat is 8 beats per minute. A polar bear can jump 8 feet out of the water. Wow, that is like really high, like way taller than me, just to give you a reference. The koala bear is not actually a bear, it's a marsupial. The spectacled bear is the only wild bear in South America. A baby panda bear is the size of a stick of butter, like this-ish. A baby panda bear. Can you even believe that? I can't. And bears on the endangered list are the sun bear, the moon bear, the American black bear, the polar bear, the panda bear, the sloth bear. I hope you found this very entertaining. Be sure to comment down below letting me know what you liked about the video and what your favorite bear is. This is really hard for me because I love all the bears, but my favorite bears are probably polar bears, panda bears, and sloth bears. Be sure to like Bringing Smart Back on Facebook and follow Bringing Smart Back on Instagram because I will have bear-related activities and I'd love for you to go check them out. So be sure to like this video. I will see you guys later. Have a very good day. Bye.